Kaya pag may kailangan nila ng mga ekstrang bata, naging batang Isabel Granada ako sa kay kambal ko, kay Eddie Gutierrez. Kasi nagsiserve lang kami ng food noon, I was so little.
Miss Eileen, Miss Eileen. Hi. Hi guys, look who I'm here with. Oh. Grabe, hindi namin guys, inaasahan nyo ba tong moment na to? You guys have all been requesting me to interview her and now she's here in a Binibining Pilipinas event. Yeah. At the launch of Binibini of the coffee table book of Binibining Pilipinas F called Ever Beauty After. So here she is. Hello, Miss Eileen.
Hello. Hi, nice to see you. Thank you. Thank you for coming here to the event.
It's my first time to meet.
Oh, good to meet you.
Kaming mga pageant media parang, oh, si Eileen ba yan?
Thank you. Thank you.
Binibining Pilipinas 1990, Universe 1990.
Six, right? Yes. You know, it was a very fulfilling experience for me, and to be back here in Araneta. Ang sarap ng feeling. You know, you feel young, you see old faces. No, not so old faces. You see your other binibinis, and you know, the feeling is so good to be able to cherish the moments and share, you know, what we've gone through. And I'm so happy to see them again, to see all of you again.
Ma'am, ako sobrang saya kasi nung finals, nung coronation night, inaasahan ka namin, isa ka sa mga magpapakita pero hindi ka nakasipot. Kaya masaya kami na nandito ka ngayon.
I tried my best talaga. But my flight kasi was delayed. So I was in London with my girls. And now when Liliana called me that there was an event na nga coming up, sabi ko, sige, sige, I'll try my best again. It's good na I'm here. So after almost 3 decades, I get to meet Liliana again and the rest. Yeah.
Ang saya po. No?
Sad also because um, you know, Madam Stella is not here. So, but I know na all of us kasi are very grateful to her. Everything that she has done for all of us, all the binibinis, all the opportunities that were given to us, we're so thankful talaga. And thank you also. You're one of the supporters of Binibini.
Alam mo, ang dami kong gustong i-follow up question sa'yo pero sa one-on-one interview ko na lang if ever.
Surely, surely. Yeah.
Kilig guys, so pinapapaunlakan niya ako for a one-on-one special interview about her pageant journey.
Thank you. Thank you for coming. And it's nice to meet you also. It's a pleasure.
Thank you, ma'am. Nire-reserve ko yung mga best questions ko. Ayaw na kitang tanungin ngayon. But thank you so much for obliging me. It's so great to see you finally in person for one of the most beautiful Binibining Pilipinas Universe title holders we have ever sent to Miss. Hi, Miss Lorraine. So honored to finally meet you in person.
The honor is mine. Just call me Anna.
Thank you. Ma'am, how does it feel like to be back in the Binibining Pilipinas compound after so many decades?
I'm rusty. But it's a joy seeing my how will I say them? Co-beauty queens, the other queens. And it's like I'm getting back into the grind. It's surreal.
Have you expected, Boda, that you would still have this impact even after you pass your reign? Kasi right now, in my YouTube channel, your name would always be cropping up because they would suggest your name as one of my possible interviewees on my platform.
Well, you know what they say? Once a binibini, always a binibini.
That is so true. What is the best thing about being a Binibining Pilipinas title?
It's a change. It's a lifestyle change. I came from a very quaint town of Baguio. I had just gotten out of high school and I was thrust into the world of pageantry, and it opened a lot of doors, a lot of opportunities. So now that I am retired and I'm awakened from retirement, I start reliving those beautiful times.
Speaking of Baguio, ma'am, ha, lately, ang Baguio is killing it in Philippine pageantry. Very consistent sa mga world-class beauties na pinapadala nila sa nationals. Ano secret sa Baguio? Nasa tubig ba? Nasa pagkain na kinakain?
Nasa air. Baguio is always fresh. It's cold. We have the best vegetables and easy living doon. Walang stress. And well, we're protected. We live a very simple life. So medyo yun ang upside nun. That's why probably we have new queens who are so beautiful.
Ikaw naman, ma'am, what's the secret to your beauty and longevity? Bakit po ang ganda-ganda nyo pa rin, even up until now po, madam?
Kasi may apo na ako. So she gives, well, I have two. My older apo is 18 and then the youngest is almost 1 and she's an angel. So siguro yun ang nagtatanggal ng stress ko at saka yun ang nagpapaganda ng life ko. And her name is Sarah. Hi, baby Sarah.
Possible future beauty queen in the near future.
It depends on the parents. I'm just the grandma.
For sure, maganda po ang apo ninyo. Judging from the puno.
I'd like to think so. Oo, when they see her, sinasabi nila, Ma'am, may lahi ba yung apo nyo? Kasi mistisa, ang puting-puti.
Nako, sige. Abangan natin yan kung buhay pa ako noon.
Buhay din ako.
Sige po, ma'am. Marami pong salamat sa pagpapaunod. So,
More power.
and nice to meet you. Hopefully, I could interview you one-on-one on my platform.
Anytime. I have all the time in the world. I'm retired.
That's great po. Sige po. Susunggaban ko po yan. I'll take up on your offer po. Maraming salamat. God bless you po, ma'am. Have a safe trip back home.
Thank you. Bye.
Hello, Binibini ladies! Ang saya-saya ko po kayong makita in one frame. Miss Nelda Ibe, Binibining Pilipinas Globe 2017. Miss Maricar Balagtas, Binibining Pilipinas Universe 2004. And Miss Maricar Tolosa, Binibining Pilipinas International 2001. How does it feel to be here at the launch of the coffee table book of Binibining Pilipinas in celebration of its 60 glorious year?
So happy to see all these wonderful women na nag-represent ng Philippines. And we're grateful to Binibining Pilipinas that we're invited today. So yes.
Yes, same here. I'm so honored to be here again. Aside from the coronation last month.
Last month, yes.
Last month. Yeah.
Ito nakita.
Di mo ko nakita. Yeah, I was there. It's okay. I saw you. Alright.
And then Miss Maricar.
It's good to be reunited again with the other Binibinis. And as they say, Binibini, when you're a Binibini, you're always a Binibini. So it's like reminiscing our past and still keeping our beauties.
Oh, 'di ba? Beauty pa rin kayo ever since you pass your respective crowns. Ang saya no. Bihira yung mga ganitong okasyon no. Parang gusto kaya ulit kayo mangyayari to na parang sa isang room magtitipon-tipon kayong lahat ng mga binibini title holders. After 10 years, 70th year.
Next year.
Next year, I
Next year
will not.
ulit, yes.
I'll make sure I get to attend.
Yes, yes. Yearly.
Yearly.
Yearly, hopefully, yes.
As much as I want to talk to you longer, pauwi na yata kayo. So, I'll ask you one question na lang. But what's the best thing about being a Binibining Pilipinas title holder? Bakit ganong kalakas at impactful yung legacy ng isang pagiging Binibining Pilipinas title holder?
Me, it's like having a second family, a second home. So I competed 3 times. They treated me like their own. So I'm really truly grateful to Binibining Pilipinas and to everyone who has helped me become Miss Philippines Universe. And sobrang grateful ako. So I miss everyone. I miss Mrs. Araneta, and I'm happy to be back here. So
Yeah. It's the same actually. It's really a family. It's a family thing eh. When you say binibini, talagang family yung una maaalala mo. I get to meet the girls and the past queens again. So, talagang napakasaya lang to be part of the binibini. So, yun lang.
The sisterhood.
Yes, it is.
Ako naman, whenever Whenever I go here, nakikita ko yung Araneta Coliseum. It's like our university.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, I told Tita Liliana na our principal si Tita Liliana, our boss is Madam Stella.
Yes,
So
yes.
parang sabi ko nakita ko sila yung mga classmates ko, kabatch ko, ganyan. I call this Araneta Coliseum Araneta University for us.
Tapos ang course, beauty.
Beauty.
ES Beauty, specializing in international. Charot. But thank you so much. I'm so glad I made you laugh before you leave.
Thank you.
Salamat sa pagpapauna.
Thank you so much.
I can't wait to have my copy of the book. For sure, marami kayo. Mini-reveal ba kayong mga ano doon? Mga little secrets or things about your that never been revealed before?
May mga ni-reveal akong stories ko dun sa book when they interviewed me about how I joined. Yeah. Sabi ko, until now, kinikip ko yung binili ko sa Tiangge nung nag-screening ako dyan sa Araneta. I just bought Tiangge clothes, tapos nag-taxi ako, and then put my makeup on. Tapos one of the second ako na magko-close na for 3 o'clock, close na yung mga screening. So, ni-reveal ko na until I'm still keeping the Tiangge dress.
That's nice.
Diba?
Magka-batch na pala kayo. Ngayon ko lang na-realize. Second sana sana si Zora tsaka si Hil Reyes tsaka si Michelle Reyes makita ako din namin. You
Yeah, diba? Baby na pala ako, pero I feel so old na rin. It's
She's
okay.
also, we joined a
Same pageant.
The same,
same intern
yeah, Globe, yes.
and then we also joined yung family.
same camp.
Yes,
Yes,
and also, ano ko na rin sa page mo, we're gonna be...
Please watch us sa
Please,
Family
yeah.
Feud.
Please watch us on Family Feud, 3 of us.
Yes, we're in the same
We're in the
team.
same team. It will be on August
27.
27, Tuesday yon.
Yes.
Yes.
So please,
Abangan nyo kami.
please don't forget.
Ano kaming tatlo?
Kuya, sige po. Abangan namin yan. Test na naman ang ano nyo, ang wits nyo at smarts nyo.
Ang kalaban namin dito, ang Team Yellow, which is sina Miss Melanie Marquez.
Bea is also part of our
Yeah. Bea Santiago.
Bea Santiago is part of our team.
Yes.
So you have to.
Abangan namin yan. Grace under pressure uli.
It
It
is.
was so fun. So
Watch out for the winners!
Sige, thank you girls. Salamat sa pagpapaunlak. God bless you guys. Bye.
226 ha. Hello everyone! Please don't forget to get a copy of Binibining Pilipinas Beauty Ever After Limited Edition. And I am on page, pero siguraduhin ko na, 226. Alright. Thank you. Photo lang. Thank you. Paulit-ulit. Okay.
One question lang, Miss Abby. Kamusta po ang pakiramdam na dito po ulit kayo sa Binibining Pilipinas? Araneta City.
This feels like home. You know, every time I'm here, it feels like home. Absolutely.
Mama, talagang excited. Ikaw na ba ang magiging next madam? Part ka na ng exec ko.
Di ko alam. But I'm happy to be part of it.
What's the experience of being on the other side naman this time around?
Hirap pala ang trabaho ng execom. Mas mahirap pala na mag-choose. Mas hindi pala siya ganun kadali. Mas madali pala mag-stage.
Talaga po. Pero you're enjoying it.
I am enjoying every minute of it.
Hindi po, ma'am. Naku, ma'am. Ang dami ko pang gustong itanong sa inyo.
O, sige, mag-date tayo. Huwag kang mag-alala. Alright?
Thank you, Miss Abby.
Ay, picture lang po.
Ang saya-saya ko po makita kayo kasi isa kayo sa mga iniidolo kong beauty queen nung kapanahunan nyo. Hello, 2 international pageants lang naman na sinalihan mo. Para ikaw yung OG queen na kilala sa pagka-crossover. Sa akin lang naman yon. So, ma'am, it's so nice to see you again po. Yun lang. Natutuwa lang po.
Thank you. It's nice to be here. Lalo na parang yung first balik ko sa Binibini is the book launch. Kasi hindi ako nakapunta nung 60th. Kasi
May nabangan.
I was supporting my son na nagfe-fencing sa Singapore. Eh, nandun ako. So, sayang talaga na hindi ako nakapunta. But maybe 65th or 70th, diba?
Ma'am, How do you feel na ang lakas-lakas pa rin po ng nabigay niyong contribution or impact sa Philippine pageantry natin? Given with what you have done in your pageant.
Bale, it's really an honor for me to represent the country, especially the Philippines. And natutuwa ako sa mga next generation na nagre-represent ng Philippines kasi ginagawa na nila itong platform sa mga advocacies nila. And in a way, nakakatulong na makilala pa yung Philippines and what we can do as women around the world.
Alam mo, so ikaw ma'am, kung kunyari ngayon kang lumalaban ngayon sa
Akong lumalaban, feeling ko, wala. Hindi ko alam kung same pa rin as yung before.
feeling ko kakaririn mo pa rin given paano mo kinarir yung
Alam mo, siguro yung secret lang is to enjoy what you're doing. Kasi that time, kahit na hindi ako hindi ako nanalo like ng title talaga sa international, I really had a great time. Kasi ang dami ko nakilala, alam mo yon, network talaga. Tapos, na-represent ko yung country well, masaya yung mga Pinoy na ako yung representative nila. So, yun lang, masaya na ako.
hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin ako makamove on na top 15 ka lang po.
Sobrang siyang na-enjoy ko. At
you.
least after me, marami ng, alam mo yun, nanalo.
It's so nice that you have so many positive memories about your last international competitions. Looking back po, what's the best thing about being a Binibining Pilipinas title holder?
I think yun nga, to be able to use winning or your title to encourage and inspire other women that we can do everything or anything. Thank you.
That is so true. Binibini is always well-rounded, no? Hindi lang sa ganda. Maraming salamat
Thank you.
po. Bye. Hi, Miss Janet Fernando.
Hello.
Nice to see you again po.
Same here.
Gumaganda ka talaga every time na nakikita kita. Pabata ka ng pabata.
Oh, thank you. Just happy and feel blessed.
Kasi ako lang pag nakikita ko kayong mga past Binibining Pilipinas title holders sa ganitong mga
And
parang I feel nostalgic. How do you feel too?
same. I feel nostalgic as well. And of course, very, very happy na I get to see my sisters in the Binibini family. Although we get to see naman each other, pero I always look forward to seeing the new queens.
Ma'am, in-expect mo ba na ganito yung impact na ma-generate yung mga queens sa younger generation? Na naaalala pa rin namin kayo even if ang tagal-tagal na lumipas nung rate.
Wow, I'm so touched naman with that statement. Well, actually, totoo yung quote-unquote, once a binibini, always a binibini. To tell you the truth, it really opened so much doors for all of us. Ang ganda nung experiences namin. We have so much fond memories to look back on. Tapos, maganda. The person who I am now is all because of Binibini. I've really grown so much and learned so much in life.
What was the most important lesson that you learned from being a Binibining Pilipinas title holder looking back?
Sa akin, it's not about me. It's about giving back to others. It's about not just being beautiful on the outside, but being beautiful on the inside. Now, we're like giving back to the society. I'm with the Beyond Beauty group, and we're busy organizing fundraising activities, charity work, doing charity work with the different organizations.
Nice. Oo nga. Nasilaw daw sa kagandahan mo, kaya But anyway, ma'am, you know, nakakatuwa to see you once in a while po. So, thank you.
Happy ako whenever I see you. I feel like I'm home whenever I see all of our friends in the pageantry world. I feel like, okay, I feel at home because you guys are here. Thank you for supporting us all these years. Thank you for being there. We love you.
We love you more. Thank you po. Thank you, ma.
Thank
You're out.
you so much. See you. And congratulations to your channel.
Thank you po.
Doing very good. And I follow.
Salamat po. Thank you, ma'am. Ingat po sa pag-uwi mo. Ara.
Gusto ko talaga Adam with this. Ano yon?
Wala lang. Ang sensa ko lang makita ka ulit. Bihira na lang kita makita.
I know, right? Pero no, thank you for always being there. Workout tayo mga Mars.
Ara, anong sikreto mo? Paganda ka ng paganda. Oo, no. Vampira nga. Paganda ka ng paganda. Hindi ko alam ng beauty secret mo nang.
I mean, baka sikreto ng mga 2013 girls. Na-realize ko, sabi ko yung mga kabash ko, si Mutia, si Nabea, and Pia, Cindy, me. Kasi di ba nung na-miss ko nga sila nung,
Wala ka.
yeah, sorry guys, I'm in Europe.
Abroad ka na lang kasi.
So, yan, minessage nga nila ako. Ito sabi ko, oh my God, parang bawal tumaba sa batch namin. Kasi yung mga,
Oo naman.
yung mga kabatch ko, parang ano rin sila lahat.
Laban pa rin. Maski si
Lumaban. Pero, hindi ko alam. Siguro thankful din. Ano lang din, watch ng diet. Saka kailangan busy para...
What's the best thing, last question, what's the best thing about being a binibining Pilipinas like?
You know the legacy. Alam mo yung you have this kind of parang feeling every time you'd see each other. Kasi it's so, parang for an organization, it's hard to reach a 50th year, especially now, it's 60th year. So, parang it's really something na talaga. So, and whenever you meet all the queens, kahit yung mga previous pa nung hindi ka pa pinapanganak. Alam mo yun? So, iba yung feeling talaga. So, I think that's something na meron sa binibining Pilipinas. That kind of feeling na parang babalik-balikan mo, no matter how busy you are, kung ano mang meron ka ngayon, iba pa rin yung memories na binibigay ng binibining Pilipinas.
Totoo ang kasabihang once a binibini, always.
Ay, yeah, it's really true talaga. Parang siguro kahit magkaanak na ako, ganyan hanggang I don't know when.
Ever attached na yung word na
Parang that tagline is always be there and it would always be true.
So may pressure ba sa inyo na parang to live up to that tag, binibini tag na alam mo na yun, fairest, maganda,
Well, in a way,
activating, so exciting.
yes, you will surely win our hearts. But in a way, it's a good thing. I would see it na lang na it's a good thing at least hindi mo pinapabayaan yung sarili mo. And you always look forward to this. So, di ba? And you want people as well na parang to appreciate you na parang no matter what age you are, you know how to keep yourself healthy and fabulous. Sure.
Even after all these years. Congratulations, Ara, again. See you again in 10 years. 70.
Grabe.
So,
Oo nga, malay mo, no?
Pero, pa rin kaganda.
But thank you, Adam, for always being there. Nakita mo yung journey namin from the start. So, maraming salamat. Dito lahat po sa librong to, yung
May reveal ka bang bago dyan?
makikita. Actually, hindi ko pa basahin ko. Sabi ko naman sa iyo. So, thank you so much.
Oh, sige. Ingat, Ara, sa pag-uwi. Thank you for the ambush.
Thank you.